These are two German Shepherds, Mono on the left, Kauai on the right. And we live by a hospital here in Bronzeville, Texas, about a mile from our house. And every time they hear the siren from an ambulance or any emergency vehicle, they react to it. Here I got Kauai. This was during the day. Mono is somewhere out there also. Now this one here is coming in the evening, around 9 o'clock or so. Stopped for a while and then it picked up again. This is the second time that same evening. And this, of course, is right out our bedroom window somewhere over here. So we can hear it loud when we're trying to sleep sometimes, or I'm listening to a movie. I'm streaming, I go ahead and pause it until they finish. Sometimes it'll go on for 1.5 to 2+ minutes. They just don't get along, except when they're howling together. So the last soundbite I got from the bedroom window, I knew if I went out there with a camera they would stop. But I came out here, they're kind of tired from all the howling that they were doing. And I thought maybe I would catch them in the act again. Now that's me trying to get them to howl, but all they're doing is getting upset with each other. They're brothers, but they don't get along. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.